Hey, buddy. Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna go camping. Do you wanna go camping?
Oh.
Your sister does. Okay, let's go get ready. Let's go pack up.
Alice! Come on! Alice!
Good. Hi, buddy. You coming? You coming here? Hi. Atlas, you gotta make a fire so we can cook. Wanna go help me get some wood? Wanna go get some wood? What about you? Come on, guys. Let's go get some wood. All right, let's bring it back. Come on, let's bring it back. Let's go. Good pile. Wow.
Oh, she's smiling.
You got the flower. The flower. Good morning, sunshine. Let's go, buddy. Let's go for a walk.
Atlas, come here! Atlas!
it's all gone. It's all gone. Living the life. Dinner time. Dinner time. You guys be good. Maybe I'll get dessert. Do you want some dessert? Yeah? Alright, sit down. Sit down. Okay. Here is your some more.
Just let her tell her to take a bite.
Just peanut butter. Alright, just a bite. Just try it out, okay? Just a bite. Just take a bite. No, Atlas.
Atlas, we got yours. Atlas, this is yours. Atlas, come here.
Atlas,
Let's
sit.
get that.
Here's your dessert.
Sheridan, come here.
See, we're a good puppy. Atlas. Atlas. I've got it right here.
Dad has it, look.
Sit.
Sheridan.
Oh gosh. How is it?
Oh.
Oh, you guys are sharing. That's it. That's dessert. Aren't s'mores good? Aren't they good? So what did you think? Your first night camping. Atlas, Sheridan. Time for bed. Alright. Let's go to bed. Atlas, say goodbye. Say goodbye to everyone. No. Say goodbye to everyone.